Greetings, Laura Flores here with NextHome WNC Realty. I would like to introduce you to 355 Mockingbird Drive in beautiful Hendersonville, North Carolina. The home has been painstakingly renovated. You will not be disappointed. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, all on one level. It's sited on 3/4 of an acre at the rear of the community on a cul-de-sac. It is conveniently located to downtown Hendersonville and the village of Flat Rock. Let's go take a look. Hope you enjoy the tour. Schedule your in-person appointment today. Laura Flores, NextHome WNC Realty.